The stock market is often described as a financial machine, but in reality, it's a psychological battlefield. Most investors don't lose money because of bad math. They lose it because of bad temperament. Today, we're looking at the definitive golden rules of investing, categorized by the legends who mastered the game. First, let's talk about the mind. Warren Buffett famously said, "The stock market is a device to transfer money from the impatient to the patient."
His mentor, Benjamin Graham, expanded on this, noting that in the short run, the market is a voting machine driven by popularity, but in the long run, it's a weighing machine measuring actual value.
Graham warned that your worst enemy isn't the market, it's your own emotions. Or, as Peter Lynch put it, in the stock market, the most important organ is the stomach. It's not the brain. You need the gut to stay calm when everyone else is panicking. So how do you choose what to buy? It comes down to the difference between price and value. Buffett's 2008 letter simplified it. Price is what you pay. Value is what you get. He also taught us that it's better to buy a wonderful company at a fair price than a fair company at a wonderful price. Quality matters more than a cheap ticker symbol. Peter Lynch adds a practical rule. Know what you own and know why you own it. If you can't explain the business to a 10-year-old, you shouldn't own it. As Charlie Munger said, all intelligent investing is simply value investing, trying to get more than what you're paying for. Perhaps the biggest trap for investors is trying to time the market. Peter Lynch pointed out that far more money has been lost by investors preparing for corrections than in the corrections themselves. This is why Jack Bogle, the father of index funds, said, "Don't look for the needle in the haystack. Just buy the haystack. By buying the whole market, you remove the risk of picking the wrong stock." Bogle's philosophy was simple. Time is your greatest ally. Impulse is your greatest enemy. Because at the end of the day, as Buffett says, risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Investing isn't about being the smartest person in the room. It's about being the most disciplined. If you can master your stomach, understand value, and stop trying to predict the future, you've already won half the battle. If you found this masterclass helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to join our community of disciplined investors. Until next time, stay patient, stay informed, and stay in the game.